Now put your hands together for Mr. Blake too.
They asked me how I was gonna warm up backstage, and I said I'm representing B-O-L-K-C-O-U-N-T-Y. Chasing that money. Come Friday night, we'd like to get our trucks and money. That's right. Got a sweet little thing down deep in the pine. She's so kind of special when she cooks just right. Come on. With our way of life is something good. Ain't nothing better than packing out. Just parting one's ass, that's just how we get down. Come on. Yeah, come on. Box full of hounds that's ready to stroll. If you think you're bone 5 hours, let me know. This is what we do on Friday nights. We like to get the light towns underneath the green light. Running our mouths, saying, talking some trash. Everybody knows somebody with that stash. You ain't doing that anymore than welcome to pass. Come on. Yeah, come on. When I was a little boy, I remember standing on the dog box of Daddy's Toyota truck. I remember hearing that sweet hound sound ringing out down deep in Willingham Creek. That's when I knew I was going to be just like him, a Southern Houndsman. You know the dog's up, say son, get in the truck, we gotta go, now we're burning daylight. Watch mom and him as they dump the dogs again, and they busted out through them Palmetto Bluffs. I was too young, so they left me in the truck, but it wouldn't take long before they jumped up a buck. Race was on, and it didn't take long before I heard them shots ring out. That's when I knew I was gonna be just like him, a Southern Houndsman. A Southern Houndsman. son, get in the truck, we gotta go, now we're burning daylight. Watch mom and him as they dump the dogs again, and they busted out through downtown Metacons. I was too young, so they left me in the truck, but it wouldn't take long before they jumped up above. Race was on, and it didn't take long before I heard them shots ring out. That's when I knew I was gonna be just like him, a southern houndsman. Everybody's been down in their luck a time or two. This song I wrote called "Oh Hoot Owl." Oh Hoot Owl, sitting on a pine tree, 65 degrees, I'm sipping wild turkey. I'm a phone off, you can't find me. I'm just sitting here on this boggy. When the sun goes down, I'm full like 6 string. Baby, I ain't coming home, I'm gonna get too drunk and stoned. Sitting out here on this Florida swamp, that's where I belong. Hearts turn cold from being done wrong, I don't need no one. When it comes down to society, good Lord, I've had enough. Boss man goes to calling girl, tell him I'm deceased. Tell him he can have a company phone, it's the last thing that I need. Tired of this old 9 to 5, and that's why I'm giving it up. Been too broke for way too long, they just repoed my truck, true story. When they done that, they took a piece of my heart. Now I'm down on my luck. I just need me a little time to pick myself back up. Baby, I ain't coming home, I'm gonna get too drunk and stoned. Sitting out here on this Florida swamp, that's where I belong. Hearts turn cold from being done wrong, I don't need no one. When it comes down to society, good Lord, I've had enough. I'm doing alright. I'm gonna be fine. Thank y'all for having us.